Alpha Stencils, the complete stencil solution. Alpha Stencils, a unique combination of knowledge, experience, and service. Alpha Stencils, manufactured using the specialist knowledge of the printing process, derived from being the world's leading producer of both stencils and advanced electronics-grade solder pastes. Alpha Stencils, produced with the experience of having made over 500,000 solder paste stencils, coupled with a mastery of the manufacturing technologies employed. Alpha Stencils, supported by a level of service that is unique in our industry. Right first time, on time, every time is our goal. Our experienced CAD engineers analyze your data in terms of potential paste transfer efficiency for every aperture in your stencil. They combine Alpha design and modification rules, honed by customer feedback and experimental development, with your own specific design requirements and preferences, to produce stencils with outstanding print capabilities. We manufacture at strategic locations worldwide, using the very latest manufacturing and inspection technologies, and guarantee delivery in the shortest possible time frame. Alpha Stencils, meeting today's challenging printing requirements with fast response, high accuracy, excellent printing performance, and worldwide availability. Alpha Stencils, meeting your needs through knowledge, experience, and service.